Welcome back, viewers. Suppose you have installed a new Endeavour OS system on your laptop or workstation and want to further install the Nvidia drivers for your system, then it is very easy in Endeavour OS to do so, because it is very tricky to install Nvidia. Nowadays it is far more easier, but there was a time when Nvidia installation was very difficult, because the no-view drivers are there, but no-view drivers have a limited performance. I'm not saying it is poor, but it is limited as compared to what the Nvidia proprietary drivers have to offer. And for that purpose, we have to install the Nvidia proprietary drivers, and it was difficult in the past. Now it is becoming more and more easy, and soon, maybe 1 year or 2 years later, we will have the Nvidia open source drivers, which will be equally good as compared to the Nvidia closed source or the proprietary drivers. So that is the future of Nvidia on Linux. So right now, by default, whenever you do the installation of Endeavour OS, if you choose the Nvidia option, then the open source drivers are installed for the Nvidia card on your system. But if you want to install the proprietary drivers, then the method is there. So the method is available. The manual is available in Endeavour OS. For that, you have to open the welcome app and click here. Here you can see it here in the tips tab, Nvidia users. Just click on it and it will open up the manual page. So this is the manual. You can see here the discovery is there. So here all the Nvidia related tips and tricks are available. So this page is specifically for the Nvidia. You can see here there is a tip about the Nvidia control, the new Nvidia driver installer, that is the Nvidia installer. I have done the video how to install drivers in Endeavour OS using the Nvidia installer, so that you can check. I think just 5-10 days before I release the video. Then you can also use the Optimus switch. So it is another solution for the Optimus laptop, and that is the Nvidia intro. You can watch this. Optimus manager for Nvidia. Bumblebee is also there. Bumblebee is used in older systems. Nvidia Optimus notebooks, hybrid graphics. You can check this. The no-view graphics or the open source graphics. So you can read this, and the Nvidia optional enhancements and troubleshooting. So this all information is good for you to begin with, and as you grow in expertise, then of course you can watch and learn from more advanced topics on Nvidia graphics. So with this, I will stop the video here. See you in the next video. Bye.